Hey everybody, Alexis Furs, facial reconstructive surgeon, nasal and sinus surgeon. Many people often ask, what is the difference between having a VivAer treatment or having surgery in the operating room for nasal obstruction? Well, there's three big reasons to consider VivAer over surgery in the operating room. Number one, VivAer is minimally invasive with no incisions. This leads to a quicker procedure that can be done in the outpatient setting and you can go home within an hour after treatment. Number two, because the VivAer is minimally invasive, the recovery time is very short. There are no incisions, very minimal swelling, and you are back to normal typically the next day. Number three, VivAer can work well even in patients that have had previous surgery. In fact, sometimes performing a second surgery on a patient for nasal breathing can be disastrous, and VivAer can avoid this pitfall. If you have any other questions in regards to VivAer or other nasal airway treatments, please give our office a call today to schedule a consultation.